Siaram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I'm going to share with you some wonderful secrets which will help you to speak in English spontaneously without any fumble, without any stuck in a random situation, in a random topic. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so before getting into the video, I just want to share with you what is the meaning of spontaneously. Spontaneously means here I am talking to you in front of you, and whatever thoughts and ideas comes in my mind, I just share with you without any preparation. So this is called spontaneously. Okay, so for the spontaneity, we have to maintain, we have to make a habit to speak in English with someone, any random topic, and speak in English in a real situation. So how to get this habit? How to become a spontaneously speaker? So in today's video, I'm going to give you some points which will help you to become a spontaneously speaker, native, like a native speaker. Okay, now let's talk about other thing. What happen if someone asked us some question related to real situation, related to any random topic? So what happened? We just hesitate, we fumble how to give answer, how to say some words in English, because words don't come in our mind. At that time we feel hesitate, we feel low confident how to face this situation. So this is a lack of spontaneity. How to get spontaneity? So in today's video, we are going to get spontaneity, how to get spontaneity in speaking terms. So very first solution that I'm going to share with you in this video is train your subconscious mind. Now the question is that how to train our subconscious mind? So we know, everyone know that our subconscious mind have a lot of information. Every day, whatever we learn, whatever we read, whatever we watch, whatever thoughts and idea we thought, all the things is going to collect in our subconscious mind. But whenever situation come, so we generally give some answer, but in our native language, because we are habitual to think in our native language, we are habitual to speak in our native language. But when it comes to speak, so we hesitate, we fumble, we pause, because we have not practiced. Our subconscious mind have not practiced to think in English. Okay, how to give answer in English, how to give confidence whenever someone asked you some question related to real situation, related to random topic. So at that time we just hesitate for giving answer. So for this we have to bring spontaneity, and for the spontaneity we have to train our subconscious mind. How to train our subconscious mind? So in today I'm going to give you very important solution. First thing is that whatever content or para, whatever we listen, whatever we read in English, we have to just repeat all the things. I mean to say, you listen any content in English, any passage that you have read, okay, you have to repeat all the content in English. You have to repeat all the passages that you have listened, that you have read. Because with the help of repetition, we can easily train our subconscious mind. Because in our native language, it's happened. We don't know. We every time we repeat all the words, all the sentences in our day-to-day life. But when it comes to speak in English, we don't repeat the words, because we have not environment, we have not someone with whom we can do conversation with every time. So for the English language, our subconscious mind don't collect so much information. If it collects, so without any repetition, we our subconscious mind reduce all the information that we have collect in already earlier time. So for this, we have to repeat all the sentences, all the passages, all the content that we have listened in our earlier time, and all the passages that we have read in earlier time. So repetition is the main key. With the help of this repetition, we can easily train our subconscious mind. Okay. So for this, you have to listen more and more English content in English. You have to read more and more English content in English. But listen the same content in English, but listen minimum 10 times, because repetition is very important. Read any passage in English, but please try to read the same passage minimum 10 times till it becomes a part of your memory. When it becomes a part of your memory, so it automatically store in your subconscious mind, and when the real situation come in front of you, when real topics, when real question come in front of you, so your subconscious mind automatically help you to give answer in English. You can easily give answer without any fumble, without any pause, without any stuckness. Okay, so this is called spontaneity. We have to get this habit for fluency, because fluency means if someone asks you a question, you can easily give answer without any take long pause. Okay, taking a pause, it's a good thing, but long pause, if you take long pause, so that means someone will think that you are not confident in speaking in English. So he will not do conversation with you in English. Okay, so you need to just get spontaneity with the help of this solution, this trick that is called repetition. Okay, so this is the main solution that you have to achieve. Now the question is that, ma'am, how to listen and how to read? For the listening, YouTube is the best source. You can easily collect some content in English, not so much, only one content, but listen the same content minimum 7 days continuously till it becomes a part of your memory. And if it comes reading, then you have to read short story, any poem, but read the short story minimum 10 times, minimum 7 days till it becomes a part of your memory. So in this way, you can easily collect some file in English, that is English speaking file. All the memory automatically collect in your mind, and whenever situation comes, whenever some points come, so you will easily give answer in English. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like, to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.